Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset Maserati Levante service light. Start with the key fob in your hand and the vehicle off. Turn the ignition to accessory without starting the engine and navigate to the service menu on the instrument cluster using the steering wheel buttons. Confirm service, reset when prompted, and cycle the ignition off then on to verify the light is cleared and no warning messages remain. Begin by pressing the start button once to enter accessory mode, then use the left steering controls to open the car menu. Scroll to service and press OK to view details, then select Reset Service and confirm your choice when prompted on the screen. Wait for the system to process the reset, then turn the ignition off and back on to check that the service light no longer appears on the display. If the reset does not take, repeat the exact sequence and ensure you fully cycle the ignition off and on between attempts. Avoid disconnecting the battery unless you know the consequences, as that can reset other modules and may require dealer intervention. If the service light remains or additional warnings appear, use an OBD2 scanner to read fault codes or consult a qualified Maserati technician to diagnose and resolve any deeper issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.